Finally, we have nominated the captain. So today we have conducted one debate competition between batch A and B. We have nominated captain from batch B, I think Miss Sikha. So I would like you to clap for Sikha. And here the next captain from batch A, we have nominated, I have not nominated, people have nominated Mr. Rashid. Please clap for him. So first of all, I would like you both, please come nearer. I would like to ask that today we have, given one topic that women should do job after marriage or not. So what is your expectation and what is the expectation of your team?
Sir, I expect our team to, women should do job after the marriage.
Women should do job after marriage. What is your expectation actually?
So my expectation is that a woman should not do job after marriage.
Marriage, right? By the way, now the toss will decide that what you have to speak about and what you have to talk about.
Then we should debate.
So it is her expectation. What about whole team, right? After the toss, she will go and she will discuss with the people. Then she will finalize actually, right? So should we have toss? Yes. Should we have toss? Yes. All right. So who would tell? Who would tell? And a captain will tell, right? All right. Tell, please. Head. It is head. Please clap for Sikha. She has won the toss. Now she will be deciding on which favor she would like to go. So are you going to discuss with people? Then you will decide? Okay, fine. So do you really expect that you are going to talk about girls who don't do job after marriage?
So it's my opinion, but first I want to discuss with my team that what they prefer.
Okay, fine. So do you think that team B will win today? Because from batch A the people are very diggaj and they are very khadus and they are great speakers. So do you think that you can win today?
Sir, they are maybe diggaj by looking, but we are diggaj by my words.
Oh my God! Yes, Mr. Rashid, you can have a look, Mr. Musir Khusi. These people are really, diggaj. So do you think that you can win by them?
Yes, sir. Of course, I will win. And sir, after the debate, we will see what the real.
Mr. Abid, in which team are you?
Let's see, sir.
Let's see.
I'm not from there.
You are not from anywhere. You can become umpire. Don't worry. All right. So the time is yours. Go and decide, please. The best point that you think that girls should do job after marriage.
In this era, we are not empowering the human. So for empowering a woman, girls.
Human? Oh my God!
Woman.
He doesn't know what is the topic.
This is
V-man, sir. V-man.
Yes.
V-man.
Woman.
There is no any matter of the women's and the women's.
He said human.
Sir, yes, of course, all the women's is coming from the women's. So
Yes. Of course. What is wrong with this? Please come. Please come.
Man, we are going to talk about women, not a human.
Yes!
You must know about the topic.
I'm not a Musaira. You can make any side.
He is lacking.
You should
Don't know how to speak. He is unable to speak.
Wait. I was asking that what is the prime point? You were saying that women empowerment?
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, guys. Because of job, they are empowering women.
Yes. How they can empower the woman just because if you...
I think they don't have equality. You?
Alone, I support. I want to support.
No.
Yes. They don't have equality. We have equality. You can see.
How you can get
Batch A! Batch A! Oh my God, they have equality, yes. They are saying women empowerment because of job.
Sir, they are saying because of job they are going to empower the woman, but how?
Because of job, we are only suppressing them that you have to do job.
Oh my God! We are bounding them. We are limiting them.
We are not emphasizing them to do job.
If they will do job, then how they will
One by one. Kavis wants to say something. Listen to him.
Sir, it's very unfortunate that the women are saying about the women that.
Yes.
Unfortunate.
It is so sad as well that you, being a woman, you are not supporting women. So sad. Captain, listen to Captain.
Listen, please listen. You think that we are suppressing women, and in my opinion, we are expanding women more above the job.
Yes.
You are shackle them in only 24/7 job, but we are expanding them for all the businesses.
Yes, of course. Yes.
Sir, they are thinking about the earth, we are thinking about the sky.
What type of sky are you?
They are trying to say job is so petty things, right? Job is like this much. Job is this much. But business is this much, right? So somewhere they're right, sir.
Why we are hating business, sir? Why we are hating business? We are here to talk about girls should be job after marriage or not. Why you are hating business? Why you are hating business?
Sir, yes. So they are talking about the business, and for a woman to become a CEO or founder, they have to start from the scratch and to have the job.
Yes! They don't have knowledge about it. Look silent. Look silent. Yes! They're speechless. Cameraman Jhunni Lal, please come here. Cameraman, please come here. You know, this is a really good point. He's saying that to be HR. Wait.
Sir, I think they don't believe in constitution. Article 14 says about the equality, and Article 16 says right to education. They do not believe in constitution. That's why
You don't believe in constitution. You are not allowing women. Oh my God, you are so sad. It's so sad.
According to the constitution, every girls have their own, they can choose their own rights. Why we are bounding them?
You can see your team members are sitting actually. Your team members are sitting. You can see.
I'm asking you one very simple question. You are against Rani Lakshmi Bai? You are.
Oh my God!
I'm not. I'm supposed to.
Rani Lakshmi Bai, just because of their idea, her ideas, she will become a very famous.
She became.
Oh man! Why? Please pipe down.
No. Are you against? This is the point. Are you against?
Are you against Rani Lakshmi Bai or
She was not job holder.
Just you said you are against Rani Lakshmi Bai. I'm not just saying that I'm against Rani Lakshmi Bai. Sir, firstly I would like to say they all are getting a pawa. You know there are many politicians, they are distributing pawa. After getting pawa, they like Jindabad. They are doing like that, Jindabad. It's like that after getting a one pawa.
You are not answering the logic answer. He is simply asking, are you against?
Have you taken any power right now? Have you taken any power?
Dear cameraman.
Rani Lakshmi Bai was not doing any jobs.
Yes.
Wait a minute. Listen to me.
Yes.
I want to say that Rani Lakshmi Bai idea was to empower the women so that they are not being suppressed after a long time. That's what is happening now. That's why.
To empower the women, it was not because of job only.
Yes.
So
She was serving the nation.
Yes.
Exactly.
At that time.
Oh my goodness! Look. Yes, you are also serving nation.
Yes, sir, because if I'm doing a job, we are doing for our nation.
Yes, of course. Fasting, they have come to support women. This was me, Kaf, with cameraman Jhunni Lal, talking about women should do job after marriage or not. As you can see, there are some captains and co-captains. They are damn busy in telling or in developing some of the skills. They are giving some points to the trainees to participate or to debate after some time. All right. Wow. Really, people are really serious. Let me go inside and let me see what they are talking about. See, the attention of the captain and co-captain. They are so involved into the discussion. They are so worried because they want to really spread awareness. They want to speak a lot today. Hey, Mr. Tehzeeb, as you are the participant of batch A today, so may I know please what is your motive today? What is the aim today to talk? It is
Sir, we know only one thing, that we will win. We will win. Yes, sir.
so hey, you are sitting to win only. You don't have any intention to spread awareness.
Sir, I have very big attention, so that's why I am here, and we are believe that we will win this match.
Any motivation that you want to convey that girls should do job after marriage?
Yeah, girls should do.
Please leave the mic. It's
Okay,
come
sir.
on.
Yeah, she should do work after marriage, because in this era, everyone have to work. If she will work in this new era, then she can improve herself, and she will not be dependent on her parents, on her husbands, and it will be very.
Don't you think that this point is so innocent? People will really slap you by some of the words.
How, sir? This is.
No, this is not me who is going to tell, but I think that they will slap you by words and sentences.
How?
They will tell you how.
And we will tell them how we will slap them, sir.
All right, okay. Oh, it's okay, come on, continue. This is really great attention. You are busy in giving some points.
Yes, sir.
So do you think that they can talk nicely?
Yes, sir, absolutely. They can talk.
Cameraman Jhunnilal, please come here. I would like, yes, you have to come here. Focus. These people are so worried, actually. They are so tensed.
No,
So
sir, they are so excited, and I have told them what to do, and they have nice content to talk about. Girls should do job.
girls should do job, and these are girls as well, so they are talking, you know. Oh my goodness, mashallah, you guys have applied so much cream as well. So what is the reason that you are here?
Apply cream. I am apply only oil.
Okay, by the way, no, I was just kidding. So are you ready to talk on this
Yes, sir.
topic?
Yes, sir. I want to tell you a real story of a housewife.
Oh my, you have a story? So you can tell a story after some time, right? Okay.
We are definitely performing well because we have lot of points and we have genuine points too. We can win. So we can empower them. So that's why we are going to win, and we will definitely win. Yes, because they can't win. They are unable to make a decision. Even they can't win.
Do job after marriage, but you're quite against. You are a girl, you should think about it.
Yeah, sir, but the others think is more important than the doing job. Job is like earning money or doing a job under someone. But the other things, if you do start a business, then it's help your, it's help to find your identity.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Ladies and gentlemen, you know, they're trying to say that, you know, they should do something else. But on the other hand, they are saying that, yeah, they should do job to be financially independent. Let's see what happens after some time. Thank you very much. Let me talk. There are so many things to be cared, and that is why they have thought about it, that girls should not do job after marriage. But this team, you know, batch A, I will say that the timing of the batch A is 7 to 9. They have decided that, yeah, of course, girls should do job. They have not decided. It has been decided by that team. That is why they have to favor that. What do you think and what do you say? That, of course, after getting married, girls should do job after marriage or not? You have to comment. You have to tell whatever you think about.